Hello my friends and welcome back to Coffee Tea Paper. I'm Louise and I've got my latest couple of inks from Ferris Wheel Press that they've sent me. The first one I want to review for you is this Workshop Wishes. I'll just read the little blurb. Where ideas come to life, trace the delicate contours of finely carved features and the feverishly scrawled markings of a genius at work. Bask in the brilliance of an inventor's mind and let the hum of possibility reverberate within you. Well, the whole premise is that it's around Geppetto's workshop, who of course made Pinocchio. This ink is recommended for medium to broad nibs or with dip pens because it does have a silver shimmer. It's got a base of beige, no sheen, silver shimmer and high shading. So I've been really excited when I got the email about this one. I'm loving all the detail of the workshop with the bits and bobs and the tools and different things on the illustration of the box. But yeah, I've been really keen to try this ink out because I do like a brown ink. One of my favorite inks of all time is the Diamine Cocoa Shimmer, which is a brown ink with a gold shimmer. And one of my other favorites is the Herbin Ombre de Bermani, which is a goldeny yellow ink. So with the sneaky peeks that I received of this ink, it looks like it might be a kind of a brown and have those golden hues coming through with a shimmer, and I love a shimmer. So you know, it promises to be good. So there was a bit of a delay with this shipment, but now that I have it, I am super excited to try it. I checked on the website, it's still available. So of course, if you would like to purchase your own direct from Ferris Wheel Press, you can use the code CTP and nab a 10% discount, which is, you know, it all helps, right? So that hopefully offsets any shipping costs. I know Ferris Wheel Press ink is very difficult to get here in Australia, in particular with their new releases. And I can say though that shipping between Canada and Australia is reasonably quick. I think it took 2 weeks to get from Ferris Wheel Press to me, and of course I had tracking all the way. So here I've done my swatch, I've done my little pipette. That's a fun word, isn't it? Pipette. Yeah, you don't get to work it into everyday conversation very much, do you? Anyway, I just bought a bunch of those off Amazon for like a couple of bucks, but they're quite handy, and I can reuse them as well just by rinsing them out. So I am trying very hard to improve my handwriting with my Kakamori dip pen. So I have had to speed this footage up by a lot because I'm going very slowly and very carefully, as this is real time right here. In the meantime, the ink is drying slowly up the top. So yes, I really like this concept of this ink, which is another, well, their latest addition to their Ferritales Ink collection, which of course is about Geppetto, the craftsman who created a puppet Pinocchio who came to life through a dash of magic and a stroke of inspiration. I really like this ink. I know you're probably saying, well, it's great, you know, you sent the ink and what's not to like. If I'm not that fussed on it, I'll let you guys know. This ink I feel is a little on the dry side. I don't understand. I don't understand how the inks are put together, or you know, what the various compositions of them are, but I have investigated a little bit, and I seem to it seems to be that certain pigments are more drying than others, and you need to use more of them in order to get certain colors. And of course, with a shimmer in it, I think that also adds a bit of a drying element to the ink. Saying that, I actually found it a bit easier to use with the dip pen, so that's certainly a good thing. But yes, I would definitely going to ink this up in one of my fountain pens. I just need to decide which one. From last month's collection, I've really been loving the Lapis Lullabies ink, and I had that in my TWSBI mini, and yeah, I'm thinking I might actually put this one in for this month's inks. I'll do up another video and share the other one that they sent me, which is called Grand Central Skies, and if you're a fan of the green inks and cool inks, that one might be for you. Here we can see the shimmer settling on the bottom of the bottle, so always good just to give them a bit of a shake and make sure the lid's on properly. And we'll do a bit of a close-up here so we can see how it's dried on the page. And yeah, it's got that lovely brown elements with the golden undertones, and I really get that feel of that kind of tobacco-y type brown inks. Yeah, it's a nice one. It's really nice. I like it. Anyway, till next time, take care, and I will see you again. Bye!